everyone, welcome to How Inez Rolls. Today, we're going to be showing you and tasting all of the sweet treats and yummies for Christmas from Trader Joe's. And I have Ezra to join me. Let's get started. Hi Ezra.
Hi.
You ready to eat all these yummies with me?
Yeah.
So there is so much at Trader Joe's right now. I'm gonna have to go back. I mean, honestly, there was so much going on. Nice gifts you can give, teacher gifts, parent gifts, neighbor gifts, and all the yummies that you could have at your house. First off, let me show you what I bought. Look at this beautiful wreath. Look at that, so pretty. It smells so good, huh?
It smells like
it's fresh. It's real.
It smells like the bananas.
So we're gonna put this somewhere in our home. You can put it on your front door. It is $10.99, you guys. What a great deal. Okay, so which one should we start off first here?
I want this one.
Oh, this one looks so good, you guys. Peppermint chocolate covered JoJo's. So hold on, maybe before we try these, let's just try the JoJo's, shall we?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start with that.
And plus they're just like Oreos.
Okay, I've always liked the Peppermint JoJo's at Trader Joe's. They are so good.
Bomb.com.
Bomb.com.
Bomb.com. Subscribe to my mom.
You're so cute. Okay, here you go. Hold on, wait for me. What do you think? Hold for a moment. Okay, so the cream in here has little bits of peppermint in it. So it's kind of got like a crunchy, minty taste to it. So good. But not only do they have the peppermint ones, they also have them gluten-free. So we're gonna have to give one to Dad right now. Do you think he'll love it? So these are both $2.99. If I can remember the prices, I'll let you know. Well, these look the same. Let's go give it to Paul. Hey, Paul. That's a gluten-free peppermint Oreo or a peppermint JoJo from Trader Joe's. Gluten-free.
It's good.
You like that?
You okay if I eat over your white bread?
That's fine. So these ones are for Paul. He really liked them. So now, these ones are the chocolate covered versions of those JoJo's. You can see like they have candy cane on top. A little fancier. I may have to hide them after we eat them.
No.
Because they're so fancy. Look, so fancy.
Just buy more of them.
I don't remember how much these were, but I think they were maybe $2 or $3.99. We're gonna split one because they're so big. Here, you can have that bigger piece. All right, so there you go. It's got the chocolate covered. That's good. Wow, that's really, really good. Like you didn't see them.
And yeah, since you did see them.
No, I'm saying forget you saw them, Ezra. They're mine. Those are so good. So I'm a big fan of dark chocolate, especially mixed with mint.
Not me. I'm not a fan.
Now, these are dark chocolate. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, and while he's finishing that, another thing I picked up is this peppermint chocolate chunk cookie mix. So, if you remembered last season, in the fall, I found a pumpkin oatmeal cookie mix, chocolate chunk cookie mix. It was pretty good. So this one I was told at the register that this was so good. So you could put a bow on that. These were $3.99. Put a bow on it, hand it to a neighbor. Boom, neighbor gift done. Can't wait to make them. You want to help me make them pretty quick here? Okay. Now let's try something a little different. Mini gingerbread people. So tell me if you make gingerbread houses with your family, like a family activity. We don't. No, not normally. So if you do, these cute little people, how adorable are they? Right in front of his face. Here, take that one. And it's got like an icing on the back. So good. Be good with hot chocolate or cider.
I'm not a fan of ginger.
Mmm. That's good. I like it. These are so good. Okay, so I'm not a huge fan of ginger either. Like drinking ginger, eating ginger. But somehow in a cookie, a ginger snap. Mmm. That's good.
I'm still eating this.
Yeah. So we will keep those in the pantry for sure.
I'm not a fan of gingerbread.
You're not a fan? That's okay. So bought a couple of these. These are candy canes. How nice and chunky are those? Oh, but not just any candy cane. Read what kind it is. Right here. With
cocoa cream filled in the center.
filled centers with cocoa cream. Should we try one? He's like trying to open it already. Okay. All right, let's see what we can do here. All right, so this would probably be really good in a hot chocolate.
I call that one.
Did you say you wanted this piece? So look at inside. I don't know if you can see that. It's got like a little bit of chocolate in there. I'm gonna eat that piece. Candy cane. I don't know if you can taste the chocolate though. What do you think? Ooh, that's a good, here, let me show that. So you just took a good chunk out of it. So it's got chocolate in there. Yum! That's awesome.
I can't taste the chocolate. So.
Can't really taste it, but I bet you could. I bet it would be really good in a hot chocolate for sure. Or just as is. That's yummy. All right, let's try this. Mini Peppermint Meringues. We're getting a lot of sugar right now. That's why I recruited the one who would be so appreciative of all the sugar.
I get cavities.
you have cavities? You don't even know. Ooh, they're like delicate. Go ahead, have one. Careful. They're delicate. They're like soft clouds of yumminess. Mmm. Those are good. I like them. What do you think? Are you a fan? No. Okay, so maybe not for everyone. What is it that you don't like about it?
The white stuff.
The white stuff, but isn't it all white? How it crumbles? Well, we'll do one more taste test. How about that? Are you ready? I picked up these minty chocolate shortbread cookies enrobed in dark chocolate. They have like little sparkles on them or something, or little candies on them.
Oh, that just tasted like cream.
I like it.
I didn't know.
You did not your favorite?
It's probably my least.
Your least, okay. Here, how about the, look at how cute these are.
And there's,
I thought they were gonna be bigger.
and those are actually, I don't know.
These are so good. Do you like them? They're just little cookies, you guys. Mmm. That
end part
is so good. Okay. Which one is your most favorite of all of the treats? Like if somebody was gonna go in and buy one, could only get one thing, what do you think they should get from the Christmas selection?
The JoJo's, these ones right
The
here.
minty JoJo's. Okay. I'm gonna say step it up a notch
Actually,
and get those ones. Man, those
I
are
didn't see
so
these.
good.
No, I didn't see these.
See, he didn't see them. Out of sight, out of mind. That's my plan.
No.
I'm just teasing. So he loves these too. Okay. So what wasn't your favorite then? The meringues. Okay, so these were not his favorite. But I actually, if you are a fan of peppermint, and especially chocolate, these were all very good. The gingerbread men, very, very good. So I hope that you enjoyed our little taste test today. The wreath is beautiful and gorgeous. I just hope that you, we're gonna have to go back in a couple weeks and pick up some more things because they had such a big assortment of Christmas seasonal candies and treats. So thanks for doing this with me today.
Bye.
Bye. Stick around, rollers. You just never know what we'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.